Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a 14-month update on a younger guy. And I think this boy came in, he was 23, and I think his mother is friends with a fellow that I did a hair transplant on maybe 20 years ago. And so he came in wearing this kind of,
He flips it down.
Yeah, it was kind of wild and out of control, and he said that he was doing that to cover this. And you're right, he didn't.
He does cover it, yeah.
He didn't have any hair there, you know. And so he was getting a job, his first real job. Maybe he was 22 at the time. And so we gave him a mature hairline. All you young guys take note that we give a hairline that will age well. Not one of these goofy straight across ones that will look silly when you're my age. And we did this case, and then at 6.5 months, he came by, and he looked pretty good. Pretty good meaning that he's got half growing, and he's got really fair skin and very dark hair. But he looked good. And then he popped in at 14 months, and he's got himself a job. I think he's a pharmaceutical sales rep. And he dresses up every day, and he's got himself a shiny new car and a girlfriend, and he looks like a completely different kid.
He does look good.
Did you get to see him, or are you on another beach vacation?
I was on my only vacation that Dr. Lindsey gives me once a year.
All right. Anyhow, and his car looks really good. So, again, younger guys need to plan for the future. You get a more mature hairline that will age well, and plan that conceivably we're doing another one for the back half of your head. And finally, there's no such thing as a preventative hair transplant. How many people we see come in and they'll do a little bit here, and then they are sold a few grafts in the back that will prevent future hair loss. That does not work. So, educate yourself before you sign up with anybody, including us. Right?
Yes, Dr. Lindsey.
We can help you. Give us a call. Thanks.